Hi everyone, this is Lucy. There's no reason for not having a good, tasteful, and satisfying piece of meat just because you cannot go to a fine restaurant. If I prepare this delicious meat, it means you can do it too. Today I'm making filet mignon, so let's begin. I found in my local supermarket this 3.5 pounds beef fillet. It cost me about $4.99 per pound. So really, for this quality of meat, it's not that bad. After cutting what is called the head, then we clear this tough skin. Just take a really sharp small knife and cut all this tough skin. Then we cut about 3 fingers wide the fillet. We must remember that the top portion and the bottom of the fillet are the ones where you made the cut. To season this meat, I dice 1 small onion, blended together in my food processor with 1 teaspoon peppercorn, 3 garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, and 1 teaspoon salt, and then rub the meat and leave it at room temperature for about 20 minutes. When the meat is at room temperature, then I take each piece of meat and wrap it around with a slice of bacon, securing the bacon with 1 piece of kitchen twine. Always remember that the ingredients and steps to take for all of my videos you can find in the description area below the video. Now I'm ready to brown the meat. Using a cast iron pan, I brown the meat all around to include the bacon side. Make sure the cast iron pan is really hot, in high temperature of your stove. Once one side is brown, then turn it to the other and keep doing it until all of the sides are brown. By the time I finished browning this meat, it was already practically done. So I didn't need to go any further. But if you want a well-done meat, you can place it in the oven for about 15 minutes and finish cooking. Place it in the serving dish and remove the kitchen twine. You can also remove the bacon if you wish. And now to make the sauce. Slice 1 small onion in half moons and slice some mushrooms. In a regular frying pan, melt 1 tablespoon of butter in which you saute the onion until it's soft or translucent. Then add the mushrooms and cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now that the cast iron pan contains only the juices of the meat, I'm going to add 1/2 of a cup of wine, and I'm using Marsala wine because that's what I had, but you can use whichever wine you have left over. Then I add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch mixed with 1/4 cup of water, and then I add the mixture of the onions and the mushrooms. This will make a really nice caramelized gravy to pour over the meat. Pour some on your serving platter and then pour some more when you're serving the meat. I hope you like this video and that you come back to see me again. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. I hope to see you soon. Take care of yourself and your loved ones. I see you in my next video. Bye bye.